Hi, I'm Gareth. I'd like to introduce the new REMI Go Clamp mount. This is designed to help mount the existing REMI tool tray onto metal fuse board frames. As you can see, we just mount it on there. We tighten the clamp. Tightens pretty nice. And now my tools are in front of me, so I can aid my workflow, swapping tools without having to look away. If I would prefer to have this tool tray lower, then I can mount the dropper arms directly onto the side of the clamp mounts. Now my tool tray ends up lower and my tools stay in front of me again, but I have more space to work on the bottom of the fuse board.